Hi students, today in this video we go for our semester 2 study work and we start from unit 6 and the poem 6. The name of the poem is Yavatha. It is a name of one red Indian boy and the story of the boy described here that we learn in the poem. So let's start the poem. And here is one introduction paragraph about Yavatha. Yavatha was a young red Indian boy. He lived with his old grandmother Nokomis in a wigwam. Yavatha was a young boy and he was a red Indian boy and he lived with his old grandmother. Named Nokomis is a name of his grandmother in a wigwam. Wigwam means an oval shaped shelter, means in a hut. Nokomis taught Yavatha about the wonders around them. Nokomis, his grandmother, taught is a past of teach, taught Yavatha that the wonders means the strange things around them. She told him about the stars, the trees, the insects, the birds, the animals, and many other things. Yavatha's grandmother told him about the stories about the stars and these surroundings, that the insects, the animals, the birds, and many other things. She guided her grandson about these things. Yavatha grew up to love them all. He could talk to the birds and the animals and they to him. Yavatha grew up means Gravatha grew up with them and with these surroundings with these birds and animals, and he could talk. He can talk. Could is a past of can. He can talk to the birds and the animals, and the birds and animals also could talk with him. So they talk to each other, and Yavatha understood the languages of the birds and animals. So this is the introduction paragraph about Yavatha, and now we go for the poem. And here is the poem that then the little Yavatha learned of every bird its language, learned their names and all their secrets, how they built their nests in summer, where they hid themselves in winter, talked with them whenever he met them, called them Yavatha's chickens. Then the little Yavatha, when his grandmother told him about these birds and animals and insects, then he learned of every bird and its language and all the secrets of the birds. यावथा जो बॉय है उसने अपनी ग्रैंड मदर की मदद से सब सारे बर्ड्स और एनिमल्स की लैंग्वेज सीख ली थी. वो उनकी लैंग्वेज समझ सकता था और खुद उनसे बात भी कर सकता था. हाउ दे बिल्ड देयर नेस्ट इन समर, और उनके जो सीक्रेट्स है कि वो कैसे करते हैं काम, तो वो सब उसको सीक्रेट्स भी उसको पता थे. जैसे कि जो बर्ड्स है वो समर में अपने जो नेस्ट है वो कैसे बनाते हैं. एंड वेयर दे हिड इज़ अ पास्ट ऑफ हाइड. हिड मीन्स वो कहाँ छुप जाते थे. इन विंटर, इन द विंटर सीजन वो कहाँ पे छुपते थे बर्ड्स, वो सब सीक्रेट्स उसको पता चल जाते हैं. टॉक्ड विद देम वेन एवर ही मैट देम. जब भी वो बर्ड्स और एनिमल्स को, मैट इज़ अ पास्ट ऑफ मीट, जब भी वो बर्ड्स और एनिमल्स को मिलता था तब उसके साथ वो बातें करता था. टॉक्ड मीन्स बातें करता था. कॉल्ड देम यावथास चिकन्स, और वो जो बर्ड्स और एनिमल्स है, वो सब बर्ड्स है, उसको वो यावथास चिकन्स ऐसे बुलाता था. सो this is the first stanza of the poem, and now we go for the second. And here is the second stanza of the poem, that of all beasts he learned the language, learned their names and all their secrets. Here Yavatha learned beasts means animals. He learned also the language of animals and their names and their secrets also. How the beavers built their lodges, where the squirrels hid their acorns. How the beavers means broad-nailed tailed mammal. It is name of animal, mammal type animal, and how it built their lodges, means its house, where the squirrels hid their acorns. And squirrels hid their acorns where, means where squirrel acorn is a fruit of an oak tree, and the squirrel hid on which place. How the reindeer ran so swiftly. Why the rabbit was so timid. How the reindeer means जो हिरन है वो क्यों इतना वो स्मूथली दौड़ता है. और why the rabbit was so timid means to show fear. ये जो rabbit है वो क्यों इतना डरता है. Talked with them whenever he met them. Whenever he means Yavatha met the animals, he talked with them, called them Yavatha's brothers, and he called the animals Yavatha's brothers, and the birds he called Yavatha's chickens. So these two stanzas, and it shows the relations between animals, birds, and Yavatha. So, and this poem is written by H.W. Longfellow, the writer of the poem, the poet of the poem. And I hope you understood the poem very well. Thank you.